This is Grand Suite 17626 on Utopia of the Seas. As you walk into the room, you can get a good view of the room. And as you look to the back of the room, this is where you will find a storage area with your safe. And as you can see, the storage area really isn't that big, but since this is only 3 and 4 day cruises, it is adequate. Also, you have your bathroom, which is decent sized bathroom. You have your double vanity, and you have some storage area where the mirrors are, in which you can put additional items. You have plenty of storage space at the bottom to store items, and you have your tub with shower combination, and you have your upgrade amenities for your body gel, shampoo, and conditioning. Also, you have another hooks on the doors which you can hang items, and plenty of towers. So this is a nice size bathroom. Now going back into the room, you can see you have additional storage area here, and right by the vanity you also have additional storage area in which to place items. On the vanity you have a number of drawers here in which you can put items, and as you can see on the vanity you have plenty of USB connections and plugs, and also a one that you can convert if you have a converter need extra items in which you charge. You also will see you have additional storage here and your Wi-Fi router. And as you can see, you have your king size bed, and you have your 2 tables on each side of the bed. Again, you have plenty of USB and plugs. And right next to the bathroom door, you will see your controls for your thermostat. You also have switches for your lights right by the bed. And going further into the room, you will see that it has a curtain to divide the room if you are sleeping more than 2 people in the room, or if you only have 2 and you want some separation, you also have that. You have your couch that pulls out into a bed, and you also have a television that is across from it with another desk. And since this is a suite, you do get some water that comes with it, and some little treats that comes with it also that will be changed throughout your cruise. You also have additional USB plugs and USA plugs and outlets in which you can charge items, and you have your coffee maker, which is excellent, especially if you want some coffee during your time. And one of the standouts from this is you also has a nice sized balcony, a couple of chairs in which you can lay out during the course of the cruise, and you have a little table in which you can enjoy the scenery. If you want to have room service, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can have it here in your suite. As you can see, this suite, Grand Suite, is 17626, and it is a very nice suite for you to enjoy while you're on the Utopia.